Okay, hello boys and girls, and welcome back. This video is for Lisa Schwartz or Lisa Bug. She was asking about conspiracy theory story time and about UFOs. Now, in the first place, I don't want to get picked up by Google or YouTube or the hidden powers of above or the aliens or anything else. Everything you hear is a lie. Everything you hear is a lie. Everything you hear is a lie. Little mind control trick, folks. You should be all not affected if you're one of my subscribers. So don't worry about it. And here's the truth. Okay? Yes, Uncle Alan about 3 or 4 times rode in a scout craft. I can't say it's a spacecraft. All right? It only goes up to 4 light years. 4 light years. Okay? That one barely could reach Alpha Centauri. 4 life years. 4 light years. Okay? Now, a lot of people don't believe in extraterrestrials. And a lot of extraterrestrials don't believe in you. They think you are a subspecies of insane people. Okay? Every time they come down to Earth, you always attack them. You throw feces at them. You throw arrows at them. You throw spears, rocks, bullets. You chase them in aircraft. What are you going to do? Chase them in a jet plane and throw feces at them? Shame on you. Now, they have tried landing many times on this planet. And always we're throwing something at them. Stop doing that. Good Lord. It's like a bunch of high school students on drugs. Yeah, we came over to your house, took our pants off, and rubbed our butts on your nice clean carpet. It felt good. This is what I have to deal with. Okay? You have a bunch of teenagers rubbing their butts on your carpet. And you see why we can't go any place out of the solar system? They're talking about building a big invisible wall. We stay in our solar system, big invisible wall. And they want us to pay for it. Oh, Lord, I tell you, it's getting ridiculous, folks. You know, they don't trust us. You know, all the crimes, the drugs, all the weird things we do on this planet. We have A-bombs. Nobody uses A-bombs. They don't even work in outer space. They need air to work. Okay, that's to you, Einstein. Anyway, I gotta keep this under 10 minutes. Okay, now, basically, not spacecraft. I can use word spacecraft. Have been visiting this planet for over 2.5 million years, give or take. If you ask the hidden history of the planet Earth, I wrote a couple letters to Allie Hardesty. She has a YouTube channel. Go ask her. I can't remember all the details. I got rid of my notes. I don't want people, the government. You know, it's our government. They can't even balance the budget. You want to give this information to them? 1 second. Frog in the throat. In Fresno, they're building a high-speed rail. Okay, if they did it like, I think 30 years ago, it'd be great. But building it now while we're getting a tube system coming in is like, yes, I just invented the steam car. It runs on coal. We have Teslas now. Teslas. See, that's how government thinking. That's Jerry Brown for you. Too late, too little. Okay, now back to Miss Lisa Bug and her wonderful channel, Lisa Schwartz, and she was asking about UFOs. Okay, I hope you can see this. My drawing isn't too good. This is the first level of an alien. Well, I can't say alien. They're the norms. Space people. Let's say space people. Spacecraft. Okay, my eyesight's not that good. And my drawing's kind of a little bit off. Oops. Because this is the last time you're going to see it in real life. I can barely make it out. Kind of. Okay, where am I? Okay. Well, think of a big circle, all right? And this part is right there. That's a gravity elevator and tractor beams. You know how you see in the science fiction movies there's a big bright light and they got people lifting off the ground and cows and stuff? Well, that's it. Gravity elevator. Also known as a tractor beam. Okay. And this part right here. Whoops. Yeah, maybe I could get it better. Hold on, folks. It's so hard trying to explain how a flying saucer. Well, yeah, you can say flying saucer. UFO or flying saucer work without people's brains going. Yeah, because most people will not believe it. It's an old mind control trick that the global powers use to screw up your head. Okay, take out the high-tech filter. That makes it a little bit better on light. I'm going to disappear for a second, folks. Okay. Let's see. I hope you can see this. It may be a little bit. Pull that back. Hold that. This is what happens when you have a cheap camera. Okay. That part right there is the engine. That part right there is the engine, okay? This is basically what I could say is the power unit and warp drive that runs the engine up here. On either side is engine maintenance. Remember Scotty's workplace on Star Trek? Well, that's it right here. This is the hallway. It's a nice long hallway, great floors. Have these little robots clean the floors. Okay, if you can see this. Computer room and library. They still have books or scrolls or whatever. Really nice. And I can't remember what the heck was this. Oh, storage. Storage, like us, they're preppers. Hallway. Communication room. And if it's a norm ship, they always have a PSI. PSI. Yeah, PSI. They have a PSI helmet in it. And it's like a big motorcycle helmet. Let's see. And it might be over 10 minutes. Anyway, this is the room right here. Communications and PSI helmet room. Cabins. This is the doorway. It has an off-ramp. This off-ramp goes down. You have more cabins. Oh, wait. It's cabins armory. I can't tell you about that part right there, folks. They'll get really mad if I told you. Hallway, medical bay, more cabins in the mess hall, tool shop, the other part of the engineering. Let's see. Lounge, more cabins. It's about 6 sections each cabin. If you can see that. Holds 6 sections where it says cabins. This is the lounge area. It's like a big, whatchamacallit, this area right here. It's like a big lounge or where you go into like a lobby. It's like a lobby, and then you have the main hallway going outside of the spaceship. Okay, let me get this back. Sorry about that. Too hard to explain flying saucer stuff. Okay, put in the filter. Let's get the filter back in. It's too shiny. High-tech filter. Okay. All right, we're going over 11 minutes now. I was trying to keep it under around 10. Okay, basically that's the first level. Okay, most of these saucer are either 3 or 2. This is the first level, ground floor, the bottom part of the flying saucer, if you can see it. Yeah, flying saucer. They always have like 2 robots on board. They have these little round things like we do. I think we stole it from them. But it does more work. It also polishes the floor. Does a better job too. You remember those Roomba robots? God, that's horrible. Don't even clean the bathroom. And yes, they do have bathrooms in the spacecraft. Okay, what else? And we're getting 12 minutes. Like, subscribe, and there will be a part 2 to this. So if you have any questions, put it down on the comments. And the second part, I'll give more detail about the norms. Well, folks, if you're curious about Homo superior, you'll find it in part 2. And if you don't see me anymore, you know why. Okay, folks, have a nice day. Catch you later.